your average contract value is under 50 grand, please sit down. Still a few up. All right.
Do you look at raising when you're at idea stage, to fund that idea of yours and get it off the ground quickly? Or do you fund after you've got, significant traction?
Most investors won't look at solo founders. They will look at startup founder teams rather than a single founder.
I spent 4 years living in the US, and when I got over there, I leased an apartment, and my landlord called me up and said, "Great, so you can drop off your check at my house. Here's my address." I was like, "What?"
No phones.
Yeah, no phones.
That is such a rarity these days.
But I would actually say the secret is hire the most awesome people. So we hire on smart, talented, get things done, infinite learner, not an asshole.
Somebody says that they bought a Bitcoin for a matter of cents or low dollars, and now it's worth, I don't know, how much is it worth today? 6,000 USD, and they've made X percentage profit. And the hype is all about the greed of us, all of us.
One of the greatest nuggets that came out of that panel was all about managing your day and managing your time.
Yoga and wine.
It's been an amazing day with so many great speakers and thought leaders out here, not so much just telling us how they should be doing, but actually giving us some real examples of how we can actually go out and implement.
I had a great time presenting, met some amazing other startup companies, and what was really very good about today's conference was the number of people from different industries that they have had here, the topics of conversation for startup companies and scale-up companies to be able to meet and learn and then take away what they can today to actually improve their own businesses moving forward. It's all about getting startups in Australia ahead, and today was a tremendous day for everything that they provided.